Nowadays, when following a teacher, many Dharma students are like detectives. They investigate the Dharma teaching in this center today and move to another center tomorrow. In the end, they follow too many teachers and eventually get so lost. What a pity! After reflecting on my own experience, for many years of study and practice, I suggest that you first find a qualified teacher with an altruistic mind and great compassion, and then follow that teacher wholeheartedly for a long time. Sutras, shastras, and tantras all say, before following a teacher, a disciple should examine them. After following a qualified teacher, it is better to follow them for as long as possible. When I was following Jigme Phuntsok Rinpoche, there were also other great masters around. I personally didn't have any negative views about those masters. It was just that I felt I had received teachings for my practice, and the key was to put all those teachings into real practice.